Hi, I'm Ryan Deiss, founder and CEO of Digital Marketer, and today I finally get to tell you about a brand new course that's been nearly a year in the making. It's called Digital Marketing Mastery. Now, I want to tell you a quick story so you understand why this course simply had to exist. Digital Marketer has always prided itself on being the authority in digital marketing training and certification. But recently, we realized that we, along with really the entire marketing education space, were missing a true flagship certification in digital marketing, one that walks marketing professionals, students, and even entrepreneurs through every discipline of digital marketing, no matter their experience level. Now, here's why this is so important and why it's so relevant to you today. Prior to Digital Marketing Mastery, if you wanted to learn marketing, you usually started with a specialization. Maybe your entry point was content marketing, or social media, or email marketing, or branding. Or maybe it was something more technical like search engine optimization, pay-per-click marketing, or testing and analytics. Whatever your starting point, marketing in the last decade was all about one thing: specialization. But today, being a specialist just isn't good enough. Yes, to be effective, you need deep knowledge in one or two areas of marketing, but if your knowledge is limited to just one or two disciplines, you'll never fully grasp how the rest of the pieces fit together. This is the difference between ordinary marketers and full stack marketers. Now, ordinary marketers are specialists, but that deep knowledge is typically limited in scope. To put it another way, ordinary marketers are I-shaped. Full stack marketers, on the other hand, are T-shaped. Yes, just like ordinary marketers, full stack marketers are masters in one or two disciplines of digital marketing, which forms the vertical portion of their T. But they also have a firm understanding of all the other aspects of marketing too, which forms that top part of their T. Now look, you can't be a master of everything. That's obviously impossible. But becoming a full stack marketer is not about achieving total mastery in every subject. It's about understanding just enough about everything so you see how all the pieces fit together. Think about it like this. When an ordinary marketer looks up at the night sky, all they see are stars. They may know a few of those stars very well, but they're missing the big picture. Full stack marketers, on the other hand, look up at the night sky, and where everyone else sees just stars, they see pictures. They see pictures that tell stories. In other words, full stack marketers see constellations where everyone else just sees random dots. And that's what Digital Marketing Mastery is all about. Connecting the dots between disciplines, strengthening your marketing muscle, and giving you an in-depth understanding of how each field works together to form a complete and modern marketing plan. Now that you understand why this is so important and why it's so different, let's get into the how of how it actually works. In the Digital Marketing Mastery certification, we start your training by making sure you get a crystal clear picture of the most important part of any digital marketing plan: your customer. Specifically, you'll learn who your ideal customer is and how to speak directly to that audience, and the steps that move your customer through each and every stage of the marketing journey. Then, you'll get to forming the top of your T. Led by practitioners who are themselves T-shaped marketers, you'll go inside each of the core disciplines of digital marketing, including content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, community management, digital advertising, data and optimization, and search marketing. And each instructor makes sure to link their specialty back to the customer journey. So as you delve deeper, the constellations become clearer. Now, once you complete your training and pass the assessment, you will be certified by us as a digital marketing specialist. This is the most coveted certification that we provide at Digital Marketer. And with this badge and this certificate, you'll have verifiable proof that you possess the tools and the skills to create and execute a modern, full stack marketing strategy. Not only will this make you a more effective marketer, it will also make you a more in-demand and a higher paid marketer too. Now look, marketing today is more complicated than ever. You know that, and so does everyone else. So get the tools and the training that you need to be successful in this new era of digital marketing. The age of the specialist is coming to an end, and the age of the T-shaped, full-stack marketer has arrived. So whether you invest in digital marketing mastery for yourself, or you invest in it for someone on your team, just make the investment. Because it's an investment that will pay off in this next era of marketing. I'll look forward to seeing you there.